Hello students, today we are going to study lesson our food. In this lesson we will learn following points: food, kinds of food, water, healthy eating habits, sources of food. We will see food. Yes children, what you had in dinner at last night? Yes, some of you ate dal, rice and curry, and some of you may add chicken, mutton or something else. So we eat many things, that is our food. Why do we need food? Look at this picture. See how the food help us. Food help us to grow. Food keeps us strong and healthy. And food also gives us energy to work and play. Like this, food helps us in many ways. Now we will see kinds of foods. As we know, we eat different kinds of food daily. The food can be divided into three groups: energy giving food, body building food, protective food. We will see one by one in detail. First group of food is energy giving food. Carbohydrates and fats gives us energy. We use energy for many activities such as running, jumping, studying, etc. See in this picture: rice, bread, chapati, potato and banana. These food items contain carbohydrates. Now in this picture, oil, cheese, butter contain fats. These all food items uses energy. Now we see second group of food is bodybuilding food. As children, is your height same as you were in previous year? No children. Your body is growing every day. To stay healthy and grow properly, we need bodybuilding food. Bodybuilding food contains proteins and the protein help us to grow. Now look at this picture: milk, eggs, pulses, meat, cheese, butter, fish and chicken. These food items contain proteins and proteins are good for growing children. People who do not eat meat and fish, they must include lot of pulses and nuts in their diet. Children, you should drink at least a glass of milk every day. We get calcium from milk and makes our bones strong. Now we see third group of food is protective food. Vitamins and minerals are protective food. We get these food from fruits and vegetables. So we should eat at least one fruit daily. We eat fruits and vegetables, we will be strong and healthy, and your body will be safe from disease. Along with food, our body needs water. Water is very important for our body. It helps in digesting food and removing waste from the body. We should drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. Now we see balanced diet. The food that contains carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals in proper quantity is called a balanced diet. A balanced diet keeps you fit and healthy. Let's discuss the vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Some people do not eat meat and fish are called vegetarian. Means they eat fruits and vegetables. And some people eat fish and meat are called non-vegetarian. We will see junk food. Sometimes we eat junk food. Junk food is often high in fats and sweets. Look at this picture: chocolate, pizza, burger, ice cream, chips, and cookies. Yummy! So mouth-watering, right, children? Are they healthy for us? No, children. These food are not at all healthy for us. They make us ill. So we should not eat junk food regularly. Now, to remain healthy, we will follow some rules of healthy eating habits. First one, we should eat healthy food. Second one, we should eat our meals at fixed hours. Third one, we should eat only fresh and covered food. See this picture. Flies and germs are sit on the food. If we eat uncovered food, we may fall ill. Fourth one, wash our hands before and after eating. Fifth one, we should eat slowly and chew the food well so to digest food properly. Now, sixth, we should eat plenty of fruits and vegetables to fight against diseases. Now, seventh, we should eat food at a clean place and clean dishes. Now, we will see sources of food. As we know, we eat different kinds of food daily. Some food eaten raw and some are cooked. Do you know from do we get these food? We get this food from plants and animals. We get fruit, vegetables, pulses, and cereals from plants. All these things are grown in farm by the farmers. We also get food from animals. Look at this picture. Goat gives us milk and meat. From hen we get eggs and meat. Fish gives us meat. Fish are found in water bodies such as ponds, lakes, rivers, and sea. Cow gives us milk. From milk we make cheese, butter, ghee, paneer. Yes, children, as you know, nowadays we have heard coronavirus on TV and spreading everywhere in the world. So, children, to protect from coronavirus, we should eat healthy food. Be safe, be healthy. Thank you.